Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will describe how to make conference calls on the Grandstream 2624 IP telephone. This module will also mention the use of soft keys, and the multi-directional arrow keys. If you are not familiar with these keys, or need a review, please watch the phone and button layout module. The link is in the description below. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. The All Mode Voice conference feature is an ad hoc function, which means that a conference call can be initiated by any user at any time. A conference call can connect up to 5 parties at a time. This can be any combination of internal extensions or outside callers. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button and hit the subscribe button in order to see our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful. While connected to a live call, the conference button appears above the second soft key in the display. To initiate a conference call, press the conference call button in the display. The first caller is placed on hold, and will hear the on hold music. The user who initiated the conference will see the Enter Digits screen, which will allow another call to be placed. Under the Enter Digits box, the first call placed on hold, as well as any subsequent on hold conference calls, will be displayed. In the Enter Digits box, enter the extension number, or phone number for the next party to connect to the conference call. Once another call has been established, press the conference call button, and the call will be joined to the conference. Any calls that were on hold will be automatically joined to the conference. Repeat the procedure to add additional participants. When all parties are connected, the user who initiated the conference call will see a list of all participants on their screen.
Hello, and welcome. This is Jay Walker. Everyone is now connected. We have Anita Knapp.
Hello everyone.
Just in time.
Hey there.
And Walter Mellon.
Hi guys.
If the user who originated the conference call places their phone on hold, all of the other participants will be placed on hold and will not be able to communicate with each other. To rejoin all parties, the originator can press the Re-conference key in the display, and the conference will resume.
I apologize. I'm back.
If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications, and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE. That's 877-255-6633. If a participant needs to be removed from the conference, the coordinator of the call can press the kick key in the display. A box will appear in the display, listing all of the call participants. Use the left or right arrow keys to choose which party to disconnect from the call. Use the Enter key, in the center of the arrows, or the Submit soft key, to remove the caller from the conference.
Anita had to leave. She was tired.
To end the conference call, the call administrator can simply hang up, or press the End Call soft key and all parties will be removed from the call. All parties are immediately disconnected when the initial user terminates the call. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.